A lot of people are afraid to pinch their Coleus. They're afraid that they're going to hurt the plant somehow or kill the plant, but pinching is a real easy technique to get a fuller, bushier plant. Large Coleus like this tend to want to grow just straight up on a single stem. All you have to do is pinch that stem. You can use a tool or just a couple fingernails to literally pinch that off. And then all along the stem, all of these little baby edges are going to keep on growing, end up being a nice big bushy full plant. And with this piece that you've broken off, you can strip off the lower leaves and stick that either back in the soil to help the plant get bushier, or you can stick it in another pot or directly into the ground, and that should root for you and be another plant to go along with your first one.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.